Moving on, the toll in Wednesday's Kanpur building collapse has now risen to 9. Many people are still fear trapped under the debris of a building owned by an SP leader. NDRF rescue operations are underway after over 20 labourers were rescued. More than 18 people are still believed to be trapped in the debris. 50 labourers were working at the site when the building caved in. According to sources, the building was built on a very weak foundation. It was under construction for residential and commercial purposes. An FIR, though, has been registered against SP leader Mehtab Alam, who owns the building. As of now, the owner is on the run. The neighbours claim that he might have fled to Chennai.
Presently on the top of the building which collapsed in Kanpur yesterday, I would like to show you how the rescue operation is presently on. Approximately 18 people are still believed to be trapped inside. The NDRF people have been working all through the night. They have been trying to dig wells in the collapsed debris of this building. They have been cutting through the iron rods. The quality of construction definitely being very, very poor, and the building was possibly not dry, and one after the other, several floors were being put on this building which had very weak foundation. Now, at the present condition, the people, they are still believed to be trapped inside. No heavy machines can be put to use here, and if the debris are removed from one side, there is a great possibility of the entire building crumbling down, risking the lives of those who are possibly still trapped inside. So the NDRF people have to rely primarily on the hand-held tools to dig wells so that there can be proper ventilation to the people who are still trapped inside. Just a short while ago, a 3-year-old little girl was rescued by the NDRF team. She had received minor injuries, and the possibility of those trapped inside, it is expected that since there is some kind of ventilation, possibly they may be alive. The death toll has climbed up to 9, and the person who owns the building, Mehtab Alam, a Samajwadi Party leader, possibly he was in a hurry to complete this building. So enough time was not given for the floors to first dry up and then put on the other floors. The man is absconding. An FIR has already been lodged. This rescue operation is bound to take some more time. Reporting from Kanpur with cameraman Harish Kanpal, Shiv Pujan Jha for India Today.
So, Shiv, we are looking at over 18 hours that this rescue operations is on. What's the status of that operation? And also, we're given to understand that the case has been lodged against an SP leader who's on the run.
Yes, he's on the run, and I'd ask my cameraman to pan a bit and show you the visuals, the kind of rescue operation which has been put in place by the NDRF team. They have been working all through the night. In fact, you see that putting to use any heavy machine is just impossible because there are still people, approximately 18, who are trapped in the debris. The building has been collapsed. It was a 6-story building since the foundation was very, very weak, as a result of which this entire building has come down. Ventilations are being made there through various kinds of jackhammers, drillers, cutters, and things like that. The death toll has gone up to 9. 18 people still trapped inside, and it is bound to take much time because since the entire rescue operation is manually being done to avoid any kind of collapse of these debris further. The man, the SP leader, he seemed to be in a great hurry because he wanted that before the election is complete, possibly this building should be completed. So even as the ground floors, they were not completely dry, there was an attempt to put up the other floors. 6 floors already erected, and the 7th floor. Work was going for the 7th floor, and it could not possibly take on the weight of all these floors. The building collapsed. So right now, the fate of the 18 people trapped inside is unknown, but the NDRF is working day and night to ensure that these people are taken out of the debris.
All right, Shiv, thanks for joining us. A political cloud wielded to construct that building. The authorities looking the other way, and a massive human tragedy unfolding as we speak. Continue tracking that story.